Welcome to ClientPoint AI Pro. I want to give you a little tour. On the left is Bob, and Bob is a prospect on the NovaForge website. On the right is Sophia, and she is selling NovaForge products, but she also is a subscriber to ClientPoint AI Pro, and she set up Meg, her AI, to sell and support on her behalf when she's not there. Now, to give you an example, Bob can interact with Sophia right here on the website. Really easy to install ClientPoint on your website. And here's a conversation they had just recently. So Bob came on, and he was interested in some products, and Sophia's AI assistant Meg actually sold the products to him, told him all about it, and he had more questions about specific details. Hey, ordering refills, how do I do that? And Meg provided the link to order refills, told him how easy it was, and Bob even wanted a demo. And Sophia's AI assistant Meg got back with the link so that Bob can schedule a demo with Sophia. It was really, really smooth. And then as soon as Bob scheduled that demo, over here, Sophia got a summary of the conversation and was told, hey, Bob was interested in the DentaJet. Bob inquired about ordering refills. And so Sophia said, oh, this is a hot one. I need to jump in. And Sophia started responding directly. So her AI assistant was just there to assist on her behalf until she wanted to jump in and really connect human to human. So they had a connection, and Sophia actually even looked up a tracking number, which she didn't know, using her Meg AI. Can you give me the tracking number for his last order? And Sophia also used her AI assistant to go ahead and look up information from her internal ordering system. So that all went great, but how was that set up? Well, let's take a look. So first of all, Sophia is actually subscribed to ClientPoint AI Pro, and she went through the setup, and she answered a few questions, super easy to do, about who she is, how she wants Meg to respond, what the length of the responses are, a little information about herself, the things she values, and then she went into training. You don't have to set any prompts for Meg if you don't want to. Meg is designed out of the box to help you sell and support based on information you give her in her knowledge base. But if you want to dial Meg in and give her some specific instructions, you absolutely can do that, same as you would give any assistant instructions. Also down here, Sophia trained her Meg AI so that it knows all about NovaForge. It's really easy to do. You just download this sample template. Let me show you what that looks like right here. It's just a real simple Excel sheet. It's got questions and answers. That's it. So put your top 10, your top 50 common sales and support questions and answers in, and simply upload the file. Meg's going to go ahead and train on that file. It takes a few minutes, and then she will be ready to sell and support on your behalf. Now that's real simple, great way to get started, but if you really want to dial it to 11, you can upload marketing PDFs, and you can upload Word docs, you can upload HTMLs, text files, you could even do a dump of your knowledge base and load it all up in here. So you really can go to town, but getting started is super duper easy. Now, once you've got Meg trained up and loaded, you can go ahead and test her. So click on test mode. This is just a temporary timeline so you can test Meg. And you'll notice Pat Smith is an imaginary persona. So Meg's going to pretend that Sophia is Pat. And so Sophia can go ahead and test it out. So tell me about the DentaJet. Now, Sophia's AI assistant Meg is going to go ahead and look into that knowledge base, pull up that information, and then respond. So it's a great way to test out, is the AI responding? Is the AI going to be able to assist you the way you want to? So you can, at any time, if the answer is not quite right, you can go ahead and turn off test mode. You can go back into training. You can upload some more documents, change your prompt, and then go back into test mode. When you're ready for AI to respond on your behalf, just simply click Enable Meg to respond to your relationships, and anybody that connects with you via your link or your QR code or directly like this on your website is going to go ahead and be answered by your AI assistant Meg. And anytime you want to white glove that relationship and turn AI off and speak with them directly, you simply disable Meg AI. Enjoy. Really hope you enjoy ClientPoint AI Pro and look forward to seeing how you use it.